Welcome back to my channel, beauties, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alicia. I'm going to be doing a Miss A haul. This is what the packaging looks like. It's cute pink packaging. So I picked up a few things. I'm super excited to unbox them with you guys. So if you're interested, of course, stay tuned. So it's just a mini haul, but I figured it'd be fun to unbox it with you guys and we could look and see what I got together. Wow, so this is the packaging. They don't play over there. This is some serious bubble wrapped packaging. So first thing I got is the Paw blender sponge, and this is what Heavy on the Chai swears by. She says they are better than the original beauty blenders, so I had to get it because I'm obsessed with blending sponges. And it's pink, so it's super cute. I think this one was like, I don't even remember. Does it have a prices? It doesn't. Everything on here, this site is about $1 or like $1.25, $1.35. I think the highest thing I saw was like $2 and something. So, and this one says part of the proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. So it's a good cause as well. But yeah, see, so $1.55, I guess that's the US price. Then I got, this one is the Wonder Blender High Def Makeup Sponge. So this one is nude, and I don't know, I guess I picked them both up to see which one I like better. This one feels soft right off the bat, but we will see. I got this exfoliating mini brush, and this was $1. So this is for exfoliating your lips to remove the dead skin cells, etc. So I picked this up because I told you guys I do not like dry lips, so I try to keep my lips as good as possible, and my kids. I picked up 2 of them, so one for my kids and one for myself. And this little pink one, of course, is mine. So I got this, I don't know if they gave this to me or bought it. I think I bought it, actually. It's an eye cream. Caffeine eye cream. It says reduces the look of puffiness. It's only $1. I said, I gotta try it. You guys know how I am with my under eye area. So I don't have puffiness as much as I have darkness, but it does say helps to reduce the appearance of puffiness and darkness under the eyes. So I will be trying that out for sure. Okay, so I'm looking at the makeup and I'm kind of sad because it looks so light. It looks so light. So I picked up this foundation, and this is supposed to be the Paw foundation, but Lord have mercy. This is Pro Wear Foundation, full coverage. Yeah. I picked up Honey Beige. Yeah, that could probably be a concealer. So I'm just gonna open it with you guys, put it on the back of my hand. It's so light. I'm sad. Like, this is not even my winter shade. This is definitely a concealer. I'm so upset. I'm gonna go back and get my shade in this because I really wanted to do like a full face. So then I actually got a concealer because, like I said, I'm planning on doing a full face. This is a medium to full coverage concealer. And this one is, what color? They got it in nude. And this is also the charity edition. So that's the concealer. I mean, that looks like it's going to work for me as a concealer. And then I got this little eyeshadow palette. They have like a few of them. So you can pick, like, I think there's like pinky and orange colors. But I got this one is called Mother Earth. And you see it has, these are just the more neutral brown colors. I got this brow pencil. It's called Slim Brow, and it's in dark brown. I'm gonna open it up. Honestly, I'm all for trying eyebrow pencils because I spend too much doing these brows. So if I can get $1, a brow pencil that works, and it's only $1, oh my gosh. I will be on cloud 9. Okay. The point looks pretty nice, sharp. Let's see. Let me give it a little. Ooh, I like it. It's a nice brown. That's the brown that I usually use. So that was $1. And then I had to get a lip color. So I got this pink. I got this pink. It looks kind of crazy in the tube. I don't know if it's looking crazy on camera, but it is. What is it called? Wonder Matte Lipstick, and the color is Fearless. Smells okay. Wow, that's a pretty color. That is gonna look so good on me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is one of their matte lipsticks. I like the packaging too. It's like a nude top. Yes, this is from the AOA studio. I'll have everything listed below because I'd be forgetting to tell you guys the exact names, or I give you guys the wrong name. So yeah, I'll just list it all below. So yeah, I'm excited. That's all that I got. Like I said, I was planning on doing a full face of the $1 makeup, but I can't work with these. No, seriously, I can't work with this. So I'm still gonna try these out in a video. You just have to use a different foundation, I guess. But I am going to probably go online, or maybe I have to look up some reviews and try and find what shade I am in their foundation. But everything else I'm still going to try, so look out for that video. So yes, thank you for watching my little haul. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you shop with Miss A, let me know what I need to get, like what is like your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.